Okay, we're back. This is Techmath1. We're looking in the red book, chapter 3, and we're doing 3.3. So this is an algebra review. So what are we doing here? With one variable. Numbers like 2 and negative 7 can be written. Oh yeah, with 0 exponent. So 23, just a reminder, this is on page 136, number 23. It's anything to the 0 power is 1. So that's why when there's a constant, that's considered degree 0. All right. So let's look at 26. Okay, so this is a weird case where you have multiple variables in the same term. When you have multiple variables in the same term, to determine the degree, instead of how we did it before, when there's different variables in the same term, you have to combine the exponents. So look, that's 0 power, so we don't care about that one. That's 5, 6, 7. So this is a 7th degree. This is a 2, there's a 1 there, so 3, 4, 5th degree. And this is a 10th degree. And so the reason that we do that is because there's multiple variables in the same term. These are all just monomials, these are all single term things. So you do not do that when it looks like this. When we have like 5x squared plus 3x plus 1, that's just the 2nd degree trinomial, because they're separated with pluses and minuses. So that's a single term. Highest power is 2. That's a 2nd degree. This is a weird case where you have multiple variables in the same term. That's when you combine the powers to determine the degree. All right? So that's sort of a special case. So I don't want you to worry too much about that. Let's look at 3, 4, combining like terms. So we're looking at 31, that's 4t squared plus negative 7t squared, and x cubed y plus x cubed y. So when you combine like terms, you only change the coefficient, the number in front. So this is really 4 plus negative 7. 4 plus negative 7 is negative 3, t squared. So you leave the power exactly the same and the variable exactly the same. Same with this, 1x cubed y plus 1x cubed y. There's a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 plus 1 is 2x cubed y. Do not change the powers. You change the powers when you multiply. You do not change the powers when you add or subtract. All right? And so now look at 34. Add up like terms if possible. Okay, so those are unlike terms. So you can't combine them. That's as good as it gets right there. 1p to the 4 minus 8p to the 4, those are like terms, so that's negative 7p to the 4th. d squared t, 6d squared t plus 1d squared t is 7d squared t. P and x, did I write that down right? I did. So those are unlike terms. So you can't do anything. When they're unlike terms, you can't do anything with it. A4, B3, C. A4, B3, no C, so those are unlike terms. Can't do anything with it because it doesn't have a C on that one. 1 MPQ3 minus 1 MPQ3. Those are like terms. Works out to be 0. All right. Okay, and then one last one I wanted to do where you add up like terms is 39. On page 140, remember we're in the red book. So they got y squared plus 2y minus 9 plus y squared minus y minus 3. And they have AT4 minus a squared t squared plus 3. It's AT4 plus a squared t squared minus 3. All right. So we're just going to combine up like terms. We're just combining like terms here. And we'll put it in descending order. So here we got 1y squared plus 1y squared. So that is 2y squared. We'll cross them off as we go. We got plus 2y minus 1y. So that's plus 1y or just plus y. And negative 9 and negative 3 is negative 12. So there we are, 2y squared plus y minus 12. All right, I guess we'll put them in descending order according to t, because you got two variables to go here. We'll go with t's. So we got 1at4 minus 1at4. Oh, so those die. 1 minus 1 is 0. We got 1 a squared t squared plus 4a squared t squared, so that's 3a squared t squared. And then we got plus 3 and minus 3, so those die. So that's it, just 3a squared t squared. Alrighty.